Okay, ma'am. So, day 2 tayo, Miss Lilac. Chest press tayo. Inclined natin ng konti kasi na-incline naman yata yung bench ninyo. And 2 exercises tayo. Tapos gagamit tayo na kettlebell for overhead extensions later on. So, pakita natin yung una. So, chest press tayo. Dumbbells yung gagamit natin, 15-15. So, dito, we're going to be working out yung chest, tapos yung upper chest. Din natin, triceps and shoulders, another major muscle group. Alright? So, yan, gagamit tayo ng bench. Wala akong bench na yung may foam na pang workout. So, bench na literal yung gagamitin ko. Tapos, yun, imagine nakahiga tayo, ma'am. So, open. Distance niya is yung thumb natin, yung arm natin, yan. Yung arm natin, just right outside ng shoulders. Alright? And then, push. So, inhale, exhale, push. Check natin yung wrist natin. Dapat hindi siya gaganan. Alright? Keep it straight. So, grip natin na maigi yung dumbbell. Tapos, shoulders away from your ears pag nakahiga na. So, imagine nakahiga na tayo. Yan siya. Pull, push. So, inhale, exhale. Pagbaba ng dumbbells, dahan-dahan. Tapos, squeeze your shoulder blades. Alright? So, shoulder blades together. Shoulders away from ears. Yan. Ipapress natin pababa para ma-activate yung chest muscles natin. And then, engage din yung likod. Exhale. Hindi pala. Inhale, tapos exhale pag push. Alright, so pakita natin. Yeah, so higa tayo. Oh, paghiga, dahan-dahan. Alright, so paghiga po. So, dito muna sa thighs. Tapos, lapit natin sa katawan. Slowly, slowly. Lie down. So, press. Set natin. Again, shoulders away from ears. To lift the chest. Tapos, abs brace. So, inhale down, inhale, 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 then push. Alright? Inhale, exhale. Alright? Inhale, check yung elbow, elbow. Alright, mababa ng konti sa shoulders natin. Lowest point natin, and yung full range of motion, then push. Alright? So, inhale, kaya mabagal para mas stretch, ma-activate yung mga muscles natin sa chest, shoulders, and triceps. And then yung pag-push para mas mabilis yung circulation ng dugo. Alright? So, gagawin natin yan ng 15 repetitions. Inhale, exhale. Always remember that. Tapos yan, quick rest lang. Then grab yung kettlebell natin. We're gonna be working your triceps. So, ito ma'am gagamitin ninyo is yung lightest weight, pinakamagaan na meron kayong bell, ma'am. Hindi ko kasi masyado nakita, Miss Lilac, yung mga weight natin. So, check lang natin later on. So, elbows up, inhale, exhale, push. Dahan-dahan, push. So, hawakan natin siya dito sa ear ng kettlebell natin. Tapos, elbows natin po, yung pinakamalapit na kaya sa ulo, para mas ma-isolate yung triceps natin. Then, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale up. So, for this one, 15 repetitions din tayo. And, syempre, pagka feeling na hindi kayang ituloy yung set, yung required number of repetitions natin, you could rest. Alright? So, dito pa tayo sa bench. Again, posture natin, shoulders back. Alright? Ears away, shoulders away from ears. Tapos, inhale, exhale up. So, dito mararamdaman ninyo mag-activate yung triceps. Dapat dalawang kamay po. Pinapakita ko lang. So, check yung angle. Lowest point. Alright? Dapat, magle-level siya or lower. Alright? Hawak natin na maigi. Again, align yung wrist. Hindi natin papabayaan mag-bend ng gano'n. Alright? Tapos, hawakan natin maigi. Alright? Inhale, exhale. Alright? Pag di natin masyado hinaman, baka mabato natin. Okay, ma'am? So, again, 4 to 5 sets.